Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chomo Michael Flomash Confectionery, and today we'll be making the best milky donut filling. Yes, here I have my ingredients: the sugar, corn flour, cup of milk, eggs, and margarine. So in a heated pot, I already added my sugar here before I could start recording. My sugar was there. I added the corn flour, combine together so that they mix a little. Then my eggs, turn, then just to combine it, nothing too serious because the heat will still break everything up. Then I'm going to add milk. Somebody will ask what type of milk. I use Dano here, but you can use any type of milk. Yes, it's powdered milk, and then I added 2 cups of water to it. Can you use liquid milk? Yes, you can, but that's just what I use, Dano. Then I'm adding my vanilla flavor. You can use butterscotch, whatever flavor works for you. Then I am using margarine. This process, you just have to do it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just to break the margarine and everything. Can you use butter? Yes, but we all know that here margarine is what most people use and it's really affordable. Yeah, but if you have butter, why not? Still use the same measurement, but for the purpose of this class I had to use margarine because majority or what people can afford is what I have to use to teach. So yeah, just have to keep stirring until the margarine completely melts. Please, it's really important that you don't do this process in high heat. Low heat is fine because you want the whole thing to properly melt. We don't want it cookie, like all cuddled up and all that. No, we don't want that. Just give it time, don't rush it. That's why I didn't cut any part of this video. I want you all seeing it. So just keep stirring until you notice that the whole margarine, they are all melted and there are no lumps everywhere. So once this process is done and everything is good, then we bring down. Now we have to keep stirring while it's hot. The essence of stirring while it's hot is we don't want while it's getting cold for it to curdle. So you have to keep turning. Yeah. So just keep turn it for like a minute or less than that. Well, if you notice that it's no longer too hot, then you are good to go, and there are no seeds or anything, then you are good. So I decided to stir, and while you're stirring it, you notice that it's getting thicker. You understand? It won't get thick while it's hot. So is when you bring it down that it's getting thick while you are stirring. So it's ready. Transfer to your storage, whatever you want to use and store. Yes, you can put it in the fridge, but allow it to cool before you pour it there, please. Then transfer to your fridge and use. It can stay for 1 week or thereabout. Then I'm going to show you guys how I used it in my donut. So here are my delicious donuts. Very delicious. When I say the delicious donuts. So if you are doing the milky one, just get your milk, dump the donuts right inside, mess the body with the milk, and do the same for the second one or the third one or the fourth one or the sixth or the number you want to. But I'm just doing this too because want to show you guys the normal plain donut and the milky one. So here, poking it with my craft knife. Yeah, that's craft knife, or whatever you can use to poke. Just use it, whatever makes it easy for you. Just creating the hole so that the filling goes way down, way down. And yeah, this is me using my piping bag. Now for this particular one, I didn't load filling inside very well, the first one, because everybody won't want donut with lots of filling. But this second one, I had to load it really well. Now one thing about this filling is that if you lick it as it is, it's not very sweet like all that sugar, no. But when you eat it with the donut, it's totally a bliss of heaven in your mouth. So here's the loaded one. If you want it so much, I actually ate this one. Did I? Yeah. All right, remember to subscribe, like, comment,